Good afternoon, Colin here with Techout, and today we're going to be doing a review on the Whitestone dome glass for the Galaxy S24 Ultra. And if you guys didn't see the video, there is a start to finish installation on this a couple videos back. I'll also link it down in the description. So I do show you guys how to put these on, and I just want to clarify, Whitestone does send these products to me for review and testing. Now, with that being said, I am using this on my daily driver, so obviously all things I'm saying about this are going to be true. I wouldn't be using a product that I didn't pay for if it didn't work or I didn't enjoy it. So a lot of people like to talk about the fingerprint sensors on this, on these screen protectors, about how it affects it. As you can see there, unlocked just fine, no issues, very quickly, very accurate. And I do have multiple fingers set up there. As you can see, they all work. So I just want to get that right out of the way. There's no issues with that. I did not reset the fingerprint after I set this up. So I set these up on the phone when I first got it with the Samsung screen protector. When I put the dome glass on, I did not change anything. I didn't have to reset it up. If you have issues, that does help. Usually solves those issues. But as you can see there, it works just fine. Now with the S24 Ultra, you do lose the anti-reflective coating from the screen when you use a glass screen protector, but that's going to be any glass screen protector unless it's specifically made for the anti-reflective properties, like the Samsung one, but the Samsung one is plastic, it's not glass. We'll pop out the S Pen here. As you can see, the S Pen works just fine, no issues on the screen, very smooth. I do prefer the S Pen on the glass screen protector over the plastic one. It just doesn't, grab and get caught. It's a lot more smooth and glides over the screen a lot easier. So there's that. Obviously a lot more protective. We have a little cutout there for your camera, so it's not going to affect your pictures or have any effect on that, because the camera just goes straight through the screen as it would if there was no screen protector on. This screen protector does go to the edge of the viewable area of the screen, the actual part of the OLED, but it does leave a slight gap here for cases and stuff like that. And I have used a few different cases. I had an OtterBox Defender on here. I actually just took it off for the video, so it was easier for you guys to see the screen protector. But using an OtterBox Defender, using Samsung cases like the S View flip cover right here, and a multitude of other cases from Spec and Poetic, and none of them have interfered with the screen protector. They all fit just fine. It is a case-friendly screen protector. Like I said, it does leave that little edge right there just so you can get cases on there without the screen protector being pushed up or peeled up or anything like that. And for the price, $30 to $40, you do get a 2-pack, which, fun fact, the Samsung plastic one is $29.99 for a 2-pack for, again, a plastic one. And this is a glass UV cured screen protector, which is a lot better. Clarity is a lot better. And overall, just touch responsiveness and everything like that is a lot better with these screen protectors. So I'm going to leave a link to the Amazon page where you can pick these up if you are interested, down in the description. And as always, I will leave that video description or video link down in the description as well, to where you can check out the install video. It's about a 20-minute video, start to finish install, no skips or anything like that. I'm Colin with Techout. Don't forget to comment, rate, and subscribe. And as always, have a great day.